Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover marks tool and what is marks, how we use marks. Let's create. Alright, first we need to add one photo, anything. I'm going with photo like this and fade up to 100%. Okay, and now select a shape layer. You can go with any shape layer. I'm going with rectangle tool and select your photo, then create a rectangle over the photo like this. This is actually a marks, guys. Alright, this is a marks. You created a marks over the photo, its overlay, and here we can change the value like this, subtract our marks, insert our marks, lighten our marks, and difference our marks. Okay, I'm going with add, and here we can invert our marks like this. And inside the marks value transform panel, where is a lots of option to control marks, like marks path, its shape, and like marks feather, how much feather I wanna increase it. Okay, I wanna this, and this is marks opacity, you know what this, and this is marks expansion, how much expansion you want with your mark like this. It's quite good. Alright guys, I think you know about what is marks and marks tools, transform tools. And now let's create another photo. Ctrl+X for delete. I hope you understand, guys. It's just a basic about marks and what is marks. And now let's take another photo. I'm going with same photo again and again, duplicate. Wait a minute, first of all we need to fit up to 100% this photo. Fill this area properly, go in fit up to 100%, Ctrl+D for duplicate the photo and select your first photo, then go in rectangle tool, zoom out and create a vertical rectangle like this. It's too big and but it's also done quietly. Now go in your marks and increase the feather like this. Okay, first of the switch this, increase the marks like this, and scale up this bit for more. Okay, and now if we fit up to 100% and animate these marks. For animation we have to just go in marks path, tag a keyframe, initial keyframe, and after 3 seconds add a final keyframe. Select your marks and go here like this. Okay, now select both the keyframes, press S9 for easy ease. Now here your animation is ready. It's look like this. Wait a minute. Okay, it's like a glossy finishing, like just like iPhone 15 OIS. Alright, I think you understand about what is marks and marks tool. And last I want to say something. Please play with your marks tool. And now it's time to end the season, guys, and hopefully you understand the video. By the end of this video, please practice at least 20 minutes in your day for mastering this software. Okay, bye bye, tata, see you, sayonara.